Okay, when we are looking at logging into Teams, so we have our Rapid Identity. I'm going to go to Canvas. I'm going to click on our class. So whichever class you're trying to get into Teams for that day. Then you are going to click on the button for Teams. So you could click this one right here, or you could click this one right here. This Zoom and Teams, these are both buttons. So click the button for Teams. You get this window. You're going to click Sign In. You could click it here, or you could click it here. Either one takes you to the same place. So I'm going to click Use Another Account. You should just get straight to this one. However, if you're sharing this computer with other people, you may have several accounts here. So either pick yours or choose a new one. It's going to be the first 5 of your last name, plus your lunch number, at student.aisd.net. Okay, first 5 of your last name, lunch number, at student.aisd.net. If you get this message, you've typed something wrong, because everyone should have a login that is at student.aisd.net. If you are brand new, it may not have been logged in yet, but everyone has one of these. So I'm going to back up. I'm going to log in on my account. You enter it correctly, and now you get your password. It's your Rapid ID password. So you made it up. It has a capital letter and at least one number. So if that helps you remember, use it. And then sign in. Do you want to stay signed in? I would say no, especially if you're sharing this computer. I always say no. It's going to ask, do you want the Windows app or the web app? Just use the web app. It's easier. And it takes you to all of your classes. So, say this is 8th period English. On your screen, if I start a meeting and I click Meet Now, and then I go back to my Teams, on your screen, you will have a button that looks like this. So it just says General and it says Join. When you click Join, it takes you to our live class. And hopefully this helps. It's an easy way to get into Teams. Let me know if you need anything.